Who or whom? This is one of the most common questions on the SAT writing section, and students get it wrong all the time. But here's the thing. There's a dead simple cheat that works every single time, and it takes under 3 seconds. Stick around because once you learn this trick, you'll never second guess who versus whom again. Here's the swap trick. It's 2 simple substitutions. When you see who or whom in a sentence, try plugging in he or she. If the sentence sounds right, the answer is who. Now try him or her. If that version sounds right, the answer is whom. That's it. No grammar rules to memorize. Just swap and listen. Let's see it in action. Let's try it. The manager who or whom the team respects led the project. Focus on the clause. The team respects blank. Try him. The team respects him. That sounds perfect. Him ends in M, whom ends in M. So the answer is whom. 3 seconds done. Here's another one. The author who or whom wrote the novel won a prize. Look at the clause. Blank wrote the novel. Try she. She wrote the novel. Sounds great. She maps to double who. So the answer is who. See how fast that was? Same trick, opposite result. Now it's your turn. Okay, quiz time. The scientist who or whom the committee selected will present the findings. Got it? The clause is the committee selected blank. Try him. The committee selected him. Perfect. Him equals whom. The answer is whom. If you got that right, you've got this trick locked in. Let's lock this in with a quick cheat sheet you can screenshot or save. If he or she fits, use HU. If him or her fits, use whom. And here's the ultimate memory hack. Him and whom both end in the letter M. That's your instant check. You will never forget this. If this trick helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss an SAT hack. We drop new grammar shortcuts, math tricks, and score-boosting strategies every week. And if you want the full playbook, every hack, every section, all in one place, head over to www.esatprep1600.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.